Imagine a world where our energy crisis is solved, where our technology is advanced beyond our wildest dreams, and where we've conquered space. But what if the key to this future lies not in our laboratories or factories, but in the depths of the moon? Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of lunar coins and explore the possibility that they could be the catalyst for a new era of human advancement. Have you ever heard of lunar coins? No, they're not a new cryptocurrency. They're a unique concept that could revolutionize our understanding of space exploration and resource management. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has long been a source of fascination and mystery. It's a barren, desolate place, but beneath its surface lies a treasure trove of resources that could be vital to our future. These resources include helium-3, a rare isotope that could be used to create clean, virtually limitless energy. There's also water ice, which could be used to produce rocket fuel and drinking water. And let's not forget the valuable minerals and metals that could be extracted from the lunar surface. So, how do lunar coins fit into this picture? Well, imagine a future where the moon is a thriving colony, with people living and working there. To facilitate trade and economic activity, a new form of currency would be needed. That's where lunar coins come in. They would be backed by the resources of the moon, making them a valuable asset. The more resources that are extracted and utilized, the more valuable the lunar coins would become. Potential benefits of lunar coins. The potential benefits of lunar coins are enormous. They could incentivize investment in space exploration and development, leading to advancements in technology and infrastructure. They could also help to address the global energy crisis by providing a sustainable and abundant source of clean energy. And by creating a thriving lunar economy, we could generate new jobs and opportunities for people around the world. Challenges and considerations. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. The cost of establishing a lunar colony would be immense, and there would be significant risks involved. Additionally, there would need to be international cooperation to ensure that the exploitation of lunar resources is done responsibly and sustainably. But if we can overcome these challenges, the rewards could be immense. Lunar coins could be the key to unlocking the potential of the moon and creating a brighter future for humanity. So, do lunar coins save the future? It's too early to say for sure, but the potential is certainly there. As we continue to explore and develop the moon, we may find that these unique coins play a crucial role in shaping our destiny. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.